It's Razor 1911 here. Welcome to my small tutorial for using ASSFAP Colab notebook. In this tutorial we will see end-to-end workflow of creating dataset from few audio files. All we have here are for audio files. As mentioned in Automatic Super Speaker Filtered Audio Processing Colab notebook, we need sample file in WAV format, which must be of 10-second length. Just remember we just need one WAV file for script to work with. Rest of conversation of our source audio will be taken care by it. So to create sample.wav, I'm going to crop one of our audio file into 10-second and save it in WAV format and rename newly created WAV file as sample.wav. Now we have our WAV file. Let's rename it and create folder named files in which we will move our source audio. Just remember we will move our source audio only. WAV file will be kept outside. This structure is required by codes we are running Colab. Please ignore the text file, which I am writing instructions. We don't need that in zip file, which we are going to create. Remember, don't create zip in wrong way. When you extract or open zip, you should see folder called files and your sample WAV file. If you create zip in wrong way, means folder within folder of source audio, then it will give error in Colab. Now our zip has been created. We will have last look at it. When you open it, you should see folder named files and sample WAV. That's correct. Now we need to upload this zip in Google Drive and create shareable link, which we are going to need in order to download dataset in Colab. Now it's time to create account on iCloud. We will use fake email address to register on iCloud. Sometimes it is quick process, but some things it does take multiple attempts to successfully register on iCloud. You might see error in account creation if you are creating multiply account using same IP and same browser session.
Bazinga!
After multiple failed attempts, finally we managed to create iCloud account using fake email address. For free IBM account we get 500 minutes per month of free speech-to-text transcription service. Here, after proceeding account creation steps, we need to search for speech-to-text service and click on Create button. And copy credentials which we need to put in our Colab notebook. Now it's time to paste all 3 links in Colab, one for our dataset and other for IBM Cloud credentials. After this, we are all ready to run all code as it is. Before we start running all code block, you better have a look at sample rate which you want your final dataset in it. When you will run this code block, it will ask permission from your account so it could mount Google Drive. Remember, we need Google Drive in to save our final output. Now here is code block which is downloading our zip file from Drive using sharing link. And here is code block where we have to put IBM credentials. Here we will give desired name to final output file. Here you can see IBM Cloud is transcribing our files one by one. I am going to fast forward this section.
Bazinga!
Because this is example tutorial. It has only for audio source, but when you are going to put multiple audios to convert into dataset, it will take much more time. Third last code block will normalize audio files. Second last will create tar file and save it in your Google Drive. And last will create John zip. Our dataset creation is done. You can download to see final output.